Most couples are aware of the withdrawal method, or the pull-out method, as a form of birth control. But for many, the thought of a partner actively pulling away during the throes of passion can make many feel less than desired, or even necessarily safer if they're using this method to prevent pregnancy. However, what many couples don't know is that the withdrawal method can often increase both sexual pleasure and intimacy. In fact, the withdrawal method almost always results in a greater experience of orgasm than the use of other methods, such as condoms. The withdrawal method allows couples to experience more of their partner's natural body heat and increased physical contact, which are both integral parts of sexual pleasure and intimacy. When a partner pulls out just before climax, the first few moments post-orgasm can often be even more intense than if a condom was used. The withdrawal method also allows couples to better connect with one another. The act of withdrawal requires a greater level of focus and communication between partners, something that isn't as necessary when using a barrier method like condoms. This increased intimacy often leads to a stronger emotional bond and greater satisfaction from both partners. The withdrawal method is not without its risks. It is essential that couples use other forms of birth control in addition to the withdrawal method in order to ensure greater protection against pregnancy and sexually transmitted diseases. It is also important that couples practice the withdrawal method safely. The partner should pull out slowly and try to minimize any contact with genital fluids. Afterward, the couple should practice proper hygiene to make sure both partners remain clean and healthy. The withdrawal method can be a great way for couples to add an extra layer of pleasure to their sex life. With proper communication, understanding, and practice, couples can safely explore the withdrawal method without the fear of pregnancy or the loss of intimacy.